Who knew that a piece of twine could be so much fun? I have now found another use for a twine. I'm going to write a book. 1,000 uses for twine. And one of them is going to be dog toy. Although it also makes good cat toy. Now the children are fighting over the twine.
Child toy?
Yeah, right? Child toy, dog toy, cat toy.
All the toys. You can just
Fixes fence. You use it as a lead rope. Yeah, holds hay. Yeah, that's the actual reason
pretty much anything.
for it. Yeah, it's amazing what twine can do.
Replacement girth.
Yes, that's right. You can use it as a girth.
Huh?
Ah.
Saddle.
Hey, doggy. It's happy doggy.
Oh, that hurt. You